Hi ladies, I'm Lisa with 50 Fabulous and Frazzled, and today we are talking about lash enhancement serums. So stay tuned. Hi ladies, I'm Lisa with 50 Fabulous and Frazzled, and thank you so much for watching my video. I would appreciate it if you do love my videos that you subscribe below so that to help me grow my YouTube channel. I'd appreciate it greatly. And then also on my 50 Fabulous and Frazzled Facebook group, please share with your friends so we can grow that as well. So thank you again for watching. Today we're talking about lash serum, and I have got one of my favorite products in the whole world. I know I say that about all my products, but I have used this product and love it. It is called GrandeLASH-MD. I have used this product for 9 months now and find that it is the best product on the market. I have, first of all, I've had fake lashes before. I've done the lash extensions. They're awesome, they're beautiful, but they're very time consuming. They are very expensive, and I just have trouble laying on a table for 30 to 45 minutes while someone does my extensions. This has been great for me. After I took off my lash extensions, ladies, I will tell you, my lash looked like it was just halfway cut off. I mean, just across. It was crazy how short they were. And I was in a panic, and I remember getting with my daughter-in-law, who actually does lashes, and I asked her, how long will it take for me to grow these lashes back out? And normally she said it takes about 6 months before I'll see a difference. So I started conditioning them. I started doing research, trying to figure out what in the world am I going to use. Now, I had used Lash Boost before from Rodan & Fields. It worked out very well. It's a great product, but it was very expensive in my opinion. So I was on a search to find something that could provide these amazing results without having to spend that much money. So I did my research, I found about the GrandeLASH-MD, and I have been using it ever since. I was gonna read a little bit about what it says on it. It says that it will promote the longer, thicker looking lashes in 4 to 6 weeks with your full results in 3 months. It will restore appearance of brittle or damaged lashes. What makes it so cool is that it's the easy, just one swipe application. And so I use it at night because I find it's a lot easier for me, and I will take it and let me show you what it looks like. It's just a really small, tiny little brush at the end, and I get it and I actually just put it on top at the base of my lashes. It's very easy to apply. I will do one swipe on this side, one swipe on this side, and then I'm done. I do find that the product does last about 3 months. And so after 2.5 weeks, probably right at 3 weeks, I was amazed at the results. I mean, I could not believe that I was seeing such a big difference in my lashes. So that really sold me in the beginning from that point. Now, I have been using it daily. I used it daily for 6 months. Now I am maintaining, and so because it gets to a point, I think, where it'll level out, and you're like, well, it's not doing any different. And so I am doing it every other night as a maintenance, and so it works out very well. Now I will note, and I was going to see, I thought I had it on here. You cannot, if you stop utilizing the product, if you discontinue it, you will not get the results that you're getting when you're using it. And so it's like that with any lash serum. It's something you're going to have to, it's an ongoing thing. But when you're in the maintenance process of it, it's so much better because it's fast, convenient. You're doing it every other night. Some women say they can skip 2 nights. So it's just mainly maintaining. I love the results I get with this. I wanted to share. I will link below all the information to purchase it. The company is great. They're easy to deal with. It's $65 if you buy one single tube, which is a 3-month supply. So just wanted to share one of my beauty products that I keep in my cosmetic bags all the time. And so I could not live without this. This is a product I will have to keep using. So wanted to share with you ladies. Have a great day, and I will see you soon.